The workplace as we know it is changing and changing very fast. Is your organization ready for the future of work as it is? Let's talk about 3 key trends that I see that are reshaping the future of work as we know it. Number 1, intergenerational workforce. We now have 5 generations coexisting in the workplace, each with unique values and expectations. New generations demand purpose, flexibility, inclusivity, and growth opportunities. Talent acquisition is no longer just finding a talent, it's about creating value, a workplace that can retain and nurture diverse needs. Number 2, AI and trust. AI is transforming the way we work, creating new challenges like crises of trust due to deep fake technologies. Reliance on tech impacts interpersonal skills. Organizations must balance AI and fostering genuine human connections. Number 3, organizational culture and psychological safety. Team dynamics and organizational culture are at the forefront of these changes. Psychological safety is now a must for innovation and collaboration. Employers need to embed safety into their culture, ensuring each employee feels secure. Diversity, technology, trust, and safety will shape the new normal. How is your organization preparing for this shift? Let's start to build the future today.